Hello everyone, and welcome to the Concert Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to create an app bundle. If you have several applications that you need to add to multiple systems, you can bundle them together and add them to your systems in bulk. To do so, find a system that already has these assets, make your way to its overview page and scroll down to the Components section, and click the Create App Bundle button. Provide a name and, optionally, a description. Click Save, and it will be stored in App Bundles under the Library section of the main menu. And you will now be able to add this app bundle to your systems at your discretion. But bear in mind that you cannot add container images to an app bundle. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, concert.com/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@concert.com. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.